It's Tie-Dye Tuesday. In this week's episode, we'll make a mandala. Take a shirt that's been soaked in soda ash and dry it out completely. Isolate the front of the shirt from the back. You can do this by pushing one sleeve into the other. Make sure the front is flat and fold in half horizontally. Next, fold in half diagonally. Think paper airplane. We will continue folding like a paper airplane until one side of your wedge has 5 layers and the other side has 2. Next, we will make the center of the mandala by binding with sinew close to the point of the wedge. Once we've got the center, we will make the rays or vectors of the mandala by folding the side with 5 layers back onto itself and binding at an angle. We'll keep repeating this until we get to the collar of the shirt. At this point, we'll bind straight across. This creates repeating circles outside the mandala. Once we get to the end of the shirt, it's time to dye. We can use any color we want, but for this one we're going with the classic 6-color rainbow with black highlights. If you see white or fuzzy fabric, that section needs a little more dye. When a section is full of dye, it will have a more glossy appearance, since it's essentially full of water. Once we've dyed all sections, we will use a foam brush to apply our black. Be liberal with this, since the shirt is already full of dye. The black won't take over and will just form highlights. This will help create a 3-dimensional effect. Let our shirt sit for at least 24 hours and at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit. When opening our shirt, we should just be able to pull the sinew at the end of the shirt. If a sharp edge is needed, just be extremely careful. Once opened, we can wash our shirt in a washing machine, 2 cold cycles and 1 hot cycle, and then hang dry. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you enjoyed this video, check out these videos for instructions on how to make simple tie-dye images. Check out my website, dirtyhippielaundry.com, to grab your own one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Thanks again, see y'all next week, and have a great day.